Hey y'all, it's Toni. So today's video is my dressmaking video. If you follow me on Instagram, which it is over there, at that Belle style, you would have noticed that I have been making a dress for the past 3 weeks. Y'all, I'm still not done with this dress. However, I am trying to finish it. Hopefully, Lord willing, I will get it finished this week because it's actually sitting over here on my desk, which is a little bit messy, but I'm adding in the zipper right now. So, with this video, I'm just showing you some clips because I wasn't planning on actually filming a video, but then I was talking to someone on Instagram, and she was just saying that she would love to learn how to sew a dress, and so I thought, okay, well, maybe I should actually film some more of the process, and maybe in the long run I can make another dress and then film it from beginning to end stages. But this one I kind of caught in the middle. I just wanted to show y'all what I was doing. So far I have my use of the serger, my attaching the lining, and now again I'm working on the zipper. But I hope y'all enjoy. Let me know if you'd like to see any more sewing videos from me. Also, I forgot to tell you that if you're wondering about how I got into sewing, is that I actually have been sewing since I was 6. My grandma taught me how to sew, and then I went to school for fashion design and merchandise. My whole earring just fell out, y'all. Do you see that? Where's the back? Oh, here it is. Anyway, so I went to school and graduated with my bachelor's in fashion design and merchandising. Alright, enjoy the video. Okay, I just realized that y'all probably can't even see this. I'm telling y'all, the light in my room, not really good. Okay, there's the pins. So right there, I have everything pinned, and by everything, I just mean the lining layer to the lining layer of the bodice. So those are pinned together, and I'm going to run a stitch across them, and then I'm going to come back and attach the, pardon that noise, that's the cap of my camera, and then also there's some piano playing in the back on TV. So then I'm going to attach the bodice to the out layer. So the out layer to out layer, inside to inside. So one at a time. Alright, hey y'all. So this is the dress here. I've already connected everything. The only part I still need to do is, again, the hemming and then adding the zipper, and then this dress is finished. But I wanted to show you in daylight what all the... Alright, here we are. So, again, this is a dress. This is the inside of it. This is the lining that I showed y'all, I think, in the last clip. But I had to do some adjustments. I realized that my lining was too long in this part. I don't understand how I cut it so long. I use the same pattern, but again, I use chiffon, and chiffon does move. So I had to cut off at least 4 inches of my lining from the bottom. And I just pinked it all away. So pinking shears are just the scissors that they do a cross cut like that. You can see it. It looks kind of scalloped. But it just stops the fabric from fraying so fast. But I'm going to use my oh gosh, what is it called? My rolled hem foot. Okay, so it keeps blurring. I don't like that. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to use my rolled hem foot, so that won't even matter. The little pinking will be rolled into the seam. And now everything is okay. I was slightly annoyed because I already serged all of my ends, including the hems, so that I wouldn't have to deal with any extra fabric or any fraying. But, you know, nothing always goes the way you want it to in fashion or in sewing for that much. But, you know, we overcome. So now I just need to add the zipper in. I actually think I might stop. No, I won't, because I'm going to try to get back home. I have to go to the dentist. And I was thinking, excuse me, and I was thinking of stopping by the store. Okay, there we go. And I was thinking of stopping by the store, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and order that zipper online and have it come to the house, instead of me having to stop by the store and have to deal with a bunch of people. So I really just need to do that. I probably will just, I was thinking of honestly hemming it now. And, well, no, if I hem it now, then I could hem it now, because I can close up the bottom of this and start hemming it, and then put the zipper in, and then that'd be it, and then I'll be done with this dress. So here we are again. It's kind of an aerial shot. It's laying on my bed right now. Yeah, we had a few just slight mishaps with my lining layer. However, it's only lining, and you can't see the lining through my dress. So if it's slightly off, then it's okay. However, the next time, I'm going to make sure that I cut the lining and the skirt at the same time, because I wasn't initially planning on doing lining. So that's why lining was very much after the fact. But again, that's kind of what you do in sewing. You just, sometimes you figure it out along the way, and sometimes you get it right the first time. You just never know which time it's going to be what, so. And I may need to, do I need to cut this one? I may need to cut it again. Oh man, I thought I cut everything. I think I may need to cut one more piece, because this piece looks quite long. Let's see, before I start chopping stuff. No, okay, no, we're good. See ya. Yeah, we're good. Alright y'all, so here we are. This is me trying the dress on. Again, there's no zipper in it, so I won't be showing you the back because I'm holding it closed. And I realize as I'm trying it on right now, there's a piece right there you can kind of see by my leg, the lining that's still a bit long. So I'm going to need to put it back on the bed and then trim that so that it isn't showing under my dress. But here we are. Yeah. I think it's cute. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. I think it's cute. And then, of course, I have, okay, well, I have pockets that I added in. These weren't originally in the pattern. I just took them from another pattern and put them in the dress because I like my clothes to have pockets. And then I like this neckline. Okay, it's opening back, but y'all can't see back there. But it's a bateau, like a boat neck, which is a boat neck neckline. So I really love, that's actually my favorite neckline, a bateau, because it shows your collarbones a little bit. And I think that's just really pretty. My darts look alright. This side dart, once I press it, it should be fine. I just don't like putting darts in everything. I would much rather just move a dart and then take some fullness out somewhere else, like, or put it into one big dart instead of two separate darts, because I really don't like darts. But again, this is my dress. I think it's really pretty.